Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you different ways you can style a satin midi skirt. So for this video I'm using one of the skirts that I used for my previous H&M haul video, and the reason why I'm choosing a printed midi skirt over a plain one is it's easier to style a plain one. So let's see what we can do with this. So let's get started. For the first outfit, I paired the skirt with a blue crop tank top and a pinstripe shirt tucked into the skirt. I'm wearing a pair of black chunky heels and golden hoops with wood detailing, and I will be wearing them throughout the video. For the second look, I paired the skirt with a printed mesh bralette. Though the prints are large, the mesh over the prints add a muted layer on it, balancing the outfit. For the third look, I go for a bolder choice. I layer the bralette with a printed tie top worn on one arm and the other arm tied around the waist on the opposite side. These are micro prints, so they go very well with the skirt. I use the top with a puff sleeve to give it more structure over the shoulder area. For the fourth look, I layer the bralette with an army green denim jacket with big pockets for a more dressed down look. For the next outfit, I pair my skirt with a casual black boxy crop top for an easy, super comfortable vibe. For the next look, I change my crop top to a blue crop tank top. For the next outfit, I throw on an oversized floral embroidered shirt for some layers. I usually like to throw on an oversized shirt for those harsh summer days. For the next look, I choose a dressier white crop top with organza puff sleeves. And for the last and final look, I throw on a powder blue blazer for a more chic occasion in the near or distant pandemic future. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.